Hey, I'm Leanne from Heidi and Leanne. I predict. Yeah, you know that one. This is one of the birds from the first little video. This is Pip. Or
Squeak.
This is Squeak. Say hi to the camera, Squeak. She's not talking much today. Oh, baby. Those are mine. What are you doing? Mostly get the baby in the shot. There's a such thing as a zoom button. She really likes my glasses. Watch. Mine. No. Mine.
We let it get all blurry.
Quit blurring it.
Alright.
Okay, say hi to the cameraman, William.
Yeah. Hi.
Cause I think they all want to say hi to my little brother, who's the genius behind all the videos.
Yeah.
He's an awesome.
This hurts my arm.
Oh, here. Okay.
Ah.
He's an awesome little camera dude. He's been sick the past couple of days.
Okay, shut up.
He's good now. Anyway, we gotta go. Say bye. Say bye.
Let her say bye. Don't talk to her.
Say bye. She likes the camera too.